Oh my god! She's never done that before. Come on, do it, baby. Do it, do it. Put her other hand maybe in front, like the other one, you know what I mean? She's like, no, I like to put my face on the floor, thanks. Oh my god, look at her.
How old are they supposed to be when they start crawling and stuff?
I don't know. 6 months, maybe.
She's 5. She's gotta be close.
Yeah, she's very close. Oh my goodness, my baby. She's like, this is difficult. Ooh, her arm. Come on, now get your butt up. Come on, Sophia. Oh. Oh, she's so cute. Do it, do it. She's like, I want Cal. Give me my octopus now. Do it now. She can do it. Do it. Do it, do it. Come on, you can do it. Oh, she's getting tired. Oh my god. She's so close. You can do it, Sophia. You can do it. Yes. Oh, she moved. She inched. Oh, put it a little closer, honey. Make it a little bit more attainable.
What?
Come on.
Oh.
No, more. She's like, these stupid squares. You can do it, you can do it. Come on, poke at my foot.
We should put a Coke can down so we have a little after.
I know. Come on. Oh. So awesome. Oh, she's getting mad. Maybe that'll help. She reached it. Yay! Oh, she did get somewhere. You're doing it, baby. You're doing it. Do it, do it, do it, do it. Give Mommy a You see a big toe? You know you want to suck the big toe. Yes.
It's not helping.
Go get it. All right. This video is getting long.